Now that we have all the pieces together for running the PNP, we have to implement the PNP action server. This is a ROS node that links the action and condition names in the PNP with actual functions to use them. So each action and each condition named in the PNP and in the ER must be implemented and linked to the PNP engine. This process is managed by ROS middleware through the use of different ROS features such as actions, topics, and services. To improve flexibility, there are several equivalent ways of implementing and linking actions and conditions to a PNP, thus leaving the designer with a set of choices. These choices are described in the document right here in section 5.6. So you can check these are the different options that you can use. There's 3 ways to implement them over here. To adapt actions and conditions in order to work with PNP, several wrapper functions must be implemented. Those wrapper functions are described in the document sections and are ready to just copy and paste to either create new files or add to those available. So here you're going to see all these functions that are ready to copy and paste right here. And they say where it needs to be saved and what the name of the file should be. Some of them are written in C++ and others might be or can be written in Python as well. So all of these have to be added. For example, in the CMake list file, these all have to be added. Some more wrapper functions. And you can check all of these in this section right here, which is 5.6. There are examples available to refer if necessary, and those you can find in the main PetriNet plans repository. In this location right here, you can look at some examples. Here are some of the files that are used for the action server. You can check these and use them as examples in guidance. Now that you have done all the steps to create your new PNP package, you're going to run your plan. To do so, we have to write a bash script. You're going to do that by creating your bash script inside this scripts folder. We're going to call it runplan.bash. And if you open it, we will copy and paste this command as shown in section 5.7 in the documentation. Let's erase these spaces and save it. And now we're going to make this executable. So if we go here, we're going to go to the scripts folder. As you can see, it's not executable, so let's change that. Runplan.bash. And now you can see that it's an executable file. And now we're ready to run the plan. This is usually the way you run the command to run the plan and to stop it.